Hello everybody, it's me again, the Urban Cook. Thank you very much for popping in and watching. Today I'm going to do a right nice tasty one with some really nice seasonings. Some breaded like chicken breasts, but the chicken breasts are like all chopped up in the like the little mincer thing, which is really good. I've started using this a lot more now because before it's a right pain to keep getting in and out of the cupboard. So I've taken it out of the box now, and it now lives on the side. So I'm just adding some garlic. Just like smash them up a bit, just add them in, and then it's like adding some chives, and then like just everything with me is all by eye. So I'm using some of this garlic Italian seasoning. It's really nice, not too salty. Just one egg, that's all you need for this. It just helps bind it. It sort of like helps bind it together. Putting in some like plain flour, about 2 tablespoons maybe, and then just give it a good whiz up. Obviously it's a noisy bit. Now I'll just get a bowl or a dish. Put some panko breadcrumbs. I prefer using panko. They're not as soggy as some of the others that I've used. Smoked paprika gives it a nice little taste, a little bit of a kick, not too much. It's really good. And just sort of like mix it in and do your business. So after this, I sort of like just make it up. Get some gloves on because it gets a bit messy, and just sort of like make them up, not too thick, because you want the chicken to cook, because it doesn't take that long. So I'll just make them into nice sort of like flat bits of, like as if they're like a chicken breast that's been hammered out. But this is a good way to do it, and also they cook really nice and cook all the way through. So once you get it into the breadcrumbs, you can see it is really sticky, but once you've got a bit of coating on it, then it starts sort of like behaving itself and not going everywhere. So you just sort of like pat it down, smooth it out to wherever big you want it. Bearing in mind you don't want it too thick. So these turn out quite nice actually. So anyway, that's enough of me waffling on. Sit back, enjoy the rest of the video, listen to some music, and I'll see you at the end. Enjoy. Okay, so it's me again.
Yes!
So, as you can see, as I start dishing it up, the chicken come out really lovely, really nice and golden. Smells absolutely gorgeous. These are just oven chips, like the crinkly ones, really nice. And this is the rough slaw I made up with all the vegetables. Really tasty. I could eat it by the bowlful anyway. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And don't forget to like and comment so I can come back and watch one of your videos. As you know, it's all about analytics and getting your videos out there. So I appreciate you all watching, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later guys, bye.